Let's create. Customize the background of the whiteboard and choose the pen colour or thickness among many options. The newline whiteboard includes many additional tools that enhance the collaboration experience. Search the web and insert images straight onto the canvas. Object recognition enables you to write with the pen, move, pinch and zoom with your fingers and erase with your fist. With the lasso tool, you can group different objects. With the infinite canvas, you will not lose track of your ideas. Share your notes easily with the QR code.